All right, we're going to look at a useful little app called the Slideshow. Slideshow is, just as it sounds, it's a great way to rotate through a series of photos of your choice. And it's very easy to use. The only concept that you need to grasp is how to work with folders. And folders, that process is the same whether you're in the image catalog, the video catalog, or back on the dashboard working with pages or playlists, etc. So I've clicked on the Slideshow app, as you saw, and that pulled up immediately my image library. This is from our demo account here, of course. And so the first thing I need to do is tell the system what folder it should read for the slideshow. So I may have a folder already, which I do have some, but let's pretend I don't have any folders, or I want to make a new one with my images in it. So I'm going to simply click on the master folder here and choose new folder. Call it whatever you want. And then all we need to do is either upload some images to that folder, or you can drag some images over to it from a different folder. So we can double click on the My Images master folder here, and we can click on this little box here to choose what folder to drag images to. So the top line is for navigating what you're seeing. So let's say we wanted to move some photos from the master folder, the master My Images folder, over to the new folder that I just made, my new slideshow. So in this position here, I can take some photos like this one here and drag it over there. This one here, I'm just choosing some random photos. This is kind of silly, but... And so now if I navigate in the top row here to that folder, I will see that those photos are in it. And so that's what the bottom row is for, well, just like it says, show a path where you can drag photos to, or media to, depending on which view we're looking at this from, videos, photos, etc. And so that's it. So we've got 4 photos in it. One of them happens to be an animated GIF. Actually, look at looks like we've got 2. And so we're done. We can just say use current folder, which is the one I've got selected up here in this top row. Again, this bottom row is just for dragging photos to a different folder. So we can just uncheck that to see where we're actually at. Just this folder here. So use that. And to confirm, it starts playing for us here in the designer to see what we've got. And you can choose the sequencing on the photos just by selecting something here, and of course timing as well. Stock setting is for 3 seconds, but set it to whatever. And then you've got all the other functions that you're used to seeing in the image tool here as well in the slideshow. And so you can have some animations as you go along with the rotations, and set some style for the photos, a little floating or whatever. And of course resize it however you want, drag it around. But that's all there is to the Slideshow app, just understanding folders. Hope you enjoyed this. See you on the next one.